Lasaki akajing deheng kali ka bajur bha nong ba Shillong ha ka por kumba khatwei baje ka bane hado shikantai ha ka babun kinong le nyongwan kile knyum na ka daw ka jing deheng kani ka jing deheng kali ka de namar ka jing penlong ya ka mock drill ban hikai pa kumno ban wan ya dai la de la da wan ja ka jing wan ujumai. The District Disaster Management Authority East Khasil District ha ka South Terik Urisau arjar arpusau kala pelong ya ka mock drill ban ajing hikai ki ba kumno ban ya daya lede bat ya ki weiru ladawan ujumai ha ka nugun kapor ya kani ka mock drill la pelong hamin additional bat secretariat ha ka jing don lang ka Deputy Commissioner ka East Khasil District ka kong RM Kurba haba ajing kren kani kesengi ka kong RM Kurba kala ong ba ka jing penlong ya kani ka mock drill kalong ba ka don kam kenang bagi ba kinyo kajing hikai bat tip kumno ban yada ladawan ujumai syuk ka kong kurba kalong bangidon kam ban penkre ladaja kum kini kajing ja kan ombo jing than ye ki ba syuk kalong baladangi penkre ngin la ban ra iki ba mensau syakjaka sumar ban ajing sumar ka kong kurba kalong ru baka secretariat bat ka additional secretariat kidei ki ying ki bala slam bha bat ka jakarung bat jakami kadei na kaju ka jaka lingba kum kini ki mock drill ngin la ban penkre ladawan kum kini ki jingja.
Cuci betul.
Registration. Hey, 70, 1.
I'll go straight away to the point. Shan has given the details, people who were involved with us during this program today. This exercise was felt to be needed because we are in that zone, zone 5 in earthquake risk, we're in a catastrophe zone. So therefore, we need to be prepared, and this is just insight for all of you. In case should such incident happen, you are aware of what is behind the scenes, because most of the time, the public or even us in the offices, various offices, we are not aware of what exactly the Disaster Management Agency or SDMF or any other agency that is involved in ensuring that life is safe and that the injured are taken to the hospital or for first aid or any kind of necessary action that is required to be taken at that point of time. So we do feel that today we've taken the most important offices of the state, that is the main and the additional secretariat, because we feel that these two buildings are very old. And we have noticed that, the entrance and the exit is the same in most states. So for this, we do feel that there is a need for having this mock drill in these two buildings so that we are able to evacuate all the officers and staff should any incident of this kind happen. And if you're, just to take you back, most of us were not there. First in 1897 when they had that very high magnitude of earthquake that had happened in our state, in our region, we do feel that there is always a tremor from time to time. But we should, we have become complacent or we are acclimatized to it. But then we should not take things for granted. With things that are happening, we see that, these kind of natural disasters come in, such a timing when we are least aware or least prepared. So my request today to all the departments, I believe we have requested all departments, even within your own building, to come up with a plan. I don't know what is your experience will be asking from you, but from our side, we would like all of you to prepare, and then once in a while, you talk about it and see. And you can also inform your Nazir or some person who is responsible to ensure that these gates, the keys to those gates, they are kept in a place where the person, there should be at least 2-3 persons who knows where they're kept, so that they are open at the right time for any kind of emergency. So I really thank our observers present here with us for watching and for being active participant in the observation. And I thank all the participants, the incident commanders at main and additional.